Before the video begins, subscribe and like the video to help us keep bringing you the best daily NBA content. Hi guys, in this video we will show you how basketball legend Michael Jordan spends his fortune. Jordan is a great icon in basketball and NBA history, considered by some to be the best of all time. In addition to basketball, Jordan has a passion for a variety of sports, which led him to invest in baseball and e-sports franchises, as well as owning the NBA's Charlotte Hornets franchise. In its heritage, Jordan has several mansions, cars and luxury items. One of his mansions is valued at $12 million.